Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the terminal in Linux Ubuntu. And with the terminal open, I'm going to go to Edit, and then to Profile Preferences. And I'm going to begin with the General tab, and right now the profile name is default. I'm going to change that to LTC for Learning to Compute. By default it's set to use the System Fixed Width font, which as you can see is really small. So I'm going to uncheck that. Now I'm going to click on this. And now I'm going to increase the size of my font. I'm going to take it up to 24. And I'm going to click Select. Now my font's a little more readable. And I typically leave all three of these boxes checked. Allow bold text, show menu bar by default, new terminals, and then the terminal bell. You can change the cursor shape. Right now it's set to block. Right here. You can set it to I-beam or underline. And I'm going to leave it on underline. And then you can also use the custom default terminal size, which I'm going to leave checked. And next I'm going to go to title and command. Here you can give the terminal a different title other than terminal. And I'm going to give the title of LTC. Right underneath it, it says when terminal commands set their own titles, and there's a drop down menu. You can have it replace the initial title, append initial title, prepend initial title, or keep initial title, and I'm going to leave replace initial title. Under command, you can run a command as a login shell. You can update login records when a command is launched, and you can also run a custom command instead of the shell. And when you type exit in the terminal, you can either have it exit the terminal, restart the command, or hold the terminal open. Now I'm going to go to colors. Here's where you configure your foreground, background, bold, and underline settings. Right now the box is checked for use colors from system theme. I'm going to uncheck that. Right now under built-in schemes it's set to black on light yellow. You also have the option of black on white, gray on black, green on black, and white on black. I'm going to select custom. And then right here under text color I'm going to click on the color. And I'm going to select white. And click select. Next I'm going to go to background color and click on that color, and I'm going to change that color. Under palette you can select what color the terminal applications appear. I'm going to go to background, and right now solid color is ticked, but I can click on background image, and if I had some images saved in my pictures folder, which I don't, I could go to my pictures folder and actually have my own image set as the background. You could have the background image scroll as the text fills the screen. I usually uncheck that. You could use a transparent background. If I take that and then move the adjustment bar, I can go completely transparent, and my desktop is now the background of the terminal. Under the scrolling tab, you can select what side of the screen you want your scroll bar to be located. Right now mine's set on the right side. You also have on the left side and disabled as options. You can have it scroll on output, scroll on keystroke, or use keystroke to scroll on alternate screen. And I'm going to leave them two checked. And then under compatibility, there's a few options, but I never mess with these, so I'm not really going to go into them. And it even says right here, these options may cause some applications to behave incorrectly. They're only here to allow you to work around certain applications and operating systems that expect different terminal behavior. And now I'm going to close the profile settings. And that's how you customize the terminal in Linux Ubuntu. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.